Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be learning how to start our first program, how to write our first program, or how to bring out our Jupyter notebook so that we can start writing our first program. This is the Anaconda that we just installed. We say that Anaconda comes in with Jupyter notebook. So if you want to install Jupyter notebook, download Anaconda, check our previous video, download Anaconda, double click on it and install it so that you can start coding. So how do you start coding? You simply come into your search column if you're using Windows 10 like me and type in Anaconda prompt. So just type in Anaconda prompt. As I'm typing, it's already out here, Anaconda prompt. So I'm going to click on it. The Anaconda that I installed comes in with this. That's why I'm able to type it in and it comes out. If not, you're going to be seeing CMD prompt. It's not your normal CMD prompt. Use Anaconda prompt for you to do that. So once I do that, you can see that this is out. Just type in Jupyter notebook. That's how you run Jupyter notebook. Jupyter space note or Jupyter notebook and press enter key. So that is how you bring up the server for your Jupyter notebook. Just search for Anaconda prompt, bring it up and just type Jupyter notebook. So once you type in Jupyter notebook, you wait for it to come up. It's going to bring up one of your browsers. You see the server is running. You see automatically it's bringing out my browser where I'm gonna be. So this is the Jupyter notebook is up just by simply typing in Jupyter notebook. So this is my Jupyter notebook where I'm going to be coding my Python. So if you want to start a new program, just click on new and click on Python 3 because I'm going to be coding in Python 3. So I'm going to click on new and Python 3 so that my server can come out. Waiting for the local host, so it's going to come out so that I can start coding Python. So that's how you go about it. You can see this is out now. So I'm going to be writing my first code in Python. So I'm going to simply say print. I'm going to simply say print hello world. So hello world, and I'm going to say Control Shift Shift enter. Just hold your shift and press enter to run. Okay, there's an error in this, so I'm going to simply write again. I didn't put the bracket, so that was why I have error. So I'm going to say print in bracket and it's in quotation hello world. Very important. I'm going to press shift enter.